My name is Nicole. I'm studying art and art history and I'm from San Jose, California. So I work in the beach conservation lab here at the Night Library. I house rare materials, I prepare general collections books, and we're working on a special paintings project right now. Throughout being here, I've learned so much about preventative measures and repairing things so they can live another life. It gave me even more motivation to pursue the career that I want to pursue. After school, I hope to become a paintings conservator, so that's why working here is a really great opportunity for me. Each painting is unique in its own way. As I clean them and get to look really close at them, it reveals secrets almost. Having the ability to work with these paintings so closely and keep their legacy alive is great for not only myself as an artist to be able to preserve other artists' work, but also for other people to see the work and continue its life. It's being able to touch history. That's the best part. My position here is extremely beneficial. I need to go to master's programs. Having the experience here helps with applications and honestly experience that a lot of people don't necessarily get in their undergrad years. Thank you so much for your support. Go Ducks!